Hey, nice to have you here. Welcome to the script showcase from the GP Scripts clothing store. Let's waste no time and get started right away. On the left side, we can see all the clothing categories that we can customize in this store. The categories can be filtered using a simple search field. You always have the best view of your character. 360-degree rotation as well as camera height and camera zoom make it possible. You can change the variation and the colors of the garments. To do this, you can use the corresponding arrows, your mouse wheel, or simply enter a number. Of course, there are 4 preset camera settings so that you can quickly get exactly the right view. You often need a mask, a hat, or even a watch. But other items of clothing obscure the view. You can simply hide these items of clothing if you don't want to see them. Which clothing items can be hidden can be set separately for each clothing store. If you don't like the clothes you have chosen, you can simply undo the changes. Each item of clothing can have a different price. Likewise, each clothing store can have different prices, so you can set the prices exactly as you need them. The mask should cost $50 and the pants $100, but in another store they are a little more expensive. No problem, everything is possible. Then let's take a look at the closets. Of course, you can save and name your current outfit. You can see all your outfits in the overview, and you can put them on here, delete them, or share them with other players using an outfit code. Outfit codes are pretty cool. Creating and redeeming them costs money. The price is dynamic, just like in a clothes store. Outfit codes can also be redeemed in the closet. The name of the outfit is entirely up to you. Let's move on to the next big thing, the in-game creator and editor for clothes stores and closets. On the left-hand side, you can switch between clothes stores and closets. You can teleport to one, delete it, or edit it with one click. Adding a new clothes store or closet is also child's play. Enter the name, title, and description and set the position. I want to give the last step more time. In this step, 3 things are set. The categories, the blacklist, and the categories that can be hidden. Basic represents the normal standard clothes store. You can define as many different settings as you need. Jewelry in the categories is for a jeweler, for example. This ensures that you can set each store exactly as you need it. The whole thing works in real time, so you don't need to restart the server or restart the script. Editing is just as easy. For the presentation, we simply change the categories to the mask setting and change the store title. Last but not least, let's take a look at the staff menu. Here we can select a player who is currently on the server. We can select which categories he should have to choose from and whether the player has to pay for them or not. The clothing categories that are displayed in the staff menu can be set in the config. The prices can also be set there independently of the clothing stores. In this example, we are so kind and the player doesn't have to pay anything. This is also displayed in the notification. The player can now change with the available categories and does not have to pay for it. If you have any further questions, I will be happy to answer them. Just write them in the comments below the video or in the CFX forum post. I would also like to say that Script, just like all the others, always have customer satisfaction as their top priority. If any exports or events are needed, I am happy to provide them. Thanks for listening and see you next time.